The following video is a guide on how to use the LH300 vertical baler. Firstly, at the back of the baler, place 4 number strapping rolls onto the holder provided. Next, thread each strap into the hole at the back of the chamber as illustrated. Inside the chamber, pull each of the straps down to the base and place inside each of the U-shaped channels. Loop and knot each strap and fasten into the strap holding points below the chamber. Close the bottom door. With the top door open, load material into the compaction chamber. Close the top door and press the start button to run a compaction cycle. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the bale full light illuminates, it is time to tie and complete the bale. Open the bottom door by releasing the hand release wheel. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps through the slots provided in the compaction plate. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Place a pallet in front of the baler. Hold the 2 ejector buttons together at the side of the control panel to eject the bale onto the pallet. Make sure the compaction plate is fully up in the home position.